I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. A little over a week and a half ago, comment was made that I needed an annex for the Old Sneelock's Workshop. Now this is a recurring theme that's been going on since, I first started the channel, because I have a lot of stuff. And when we moved from the big house, I lost the 60 by 60 barn, which meant a lot of stuff couldn't be here. And I also lost a 60 by 20 barn, which meant even more stuff couldn't be here. Finally, I lost the Model T garage, which didn't hold a whole lot of stuff, but that was Ryan's go-karts that we had to leave behind. You can see that there was a lot of stuff that's missing. So the idea of an annex just seemed like the right thing to do. But Lord knows I've only got a little less than a third of an acre, and there's no way in the world I'm able to put anything at all like that up. They're putting on the sheeting. The job is progressing at a fast pace. Thunderstorms this morning slowed the process down, but they're banging along, putting up siding. It's going to be a beauty. Bob sent me a set of blueprints. Bob Weaver does drafting for a living. He's a really good draftsman. Makes great drawings. He's also a fair engineer, even though Mickey Mouse appears to be the owner of the engineering company. Bob shared his talent with us in the form of this set of drawings. And if I had any opportunity to build a workshop annex, this would be the plan for it. This is amazing. All kinds of stuff in there, room to build everything. I love it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I rate them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.